E.L.F. Poreless
Poreless Putty.
Can I talk? Okay, sorry. Hey there, makeup freaks. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to go to a birthday party, so I want to do something subtle but still classy. So I'm going to do a pink champagne color on my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette. Now let's go ahead and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you guys can see, I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to link the video of how I do my video. I'm going to link the video of how I do my eyebrows up above. Be sure to check that out. The first color we're gonna dip into is Buttery, and we're gonna lay this on our lid up to our brow bone, and this is going to be our base color. And to apply butter, we are going to use Firma 201. For a crease color, we're gonna dip into Sherbet, and we're gonna use our Lauren brush, and this is the LR 112 brush. For blending brush today, we are going to use the Morphe M505. For our second crease color, we are going to dip into Hot Chocolate, and we are going to use our Sigma E25 brush. Remember, blend, blend, blend. With our finger, we're gonna apply the pink champagne to our lid. For our brow bone, we're gonna use the color Treasure, and I'm gonna use the Firma brush to apply it. We're gonna come in with our Sigma and just put it on our waterline, and this is the Sigma Long Wear Eyeliner. With our L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradies mascara, we're just gonna add right now the mascara just to the top lashes. And now I'm done with this eye, so now I'm gonna fast forward and do the other eye. Bam, my eyes are done. Now let's jump into doing our foundation, concealer, setting powder, and then I'm going to show you what bronzer and blush and highlighter I'm going to be using today. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my lash line with the colors I use. So I'm going to do the Sherbet and then the Hot Chocolate, and put a little bit of the pink champagne towards the inner corner. For a pop of color, you know that I always have to have in my inner corner, I'm going to use Isla, which is this cyan looking color, and I'm going to apply it with this Beige Cosmetics flathead brush. To apply the other colors, I did use the BDBG. I used the BDB smudging brush. For our blush and bronzer, we are going to dip into the Cheekathon, and this is from NYX Cosmetics. And we're gonna use Hoola for our bronzer, and then we're gonna use Rockateur for our blush. To apply our bronzer, we are going to use the Morphe E41 brush, which is this big, fat, tapered out brush. Remember, fishy face. With the Beige Cosmetic number 3, which is a round head brush, we're going to apply Rockateur. For highlighter, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Glow Kit, and we're going to use Starburst, which is this color right here. To apply our highlighter, we're going to use the Morphe M510. To blend everything together, we're going to use this Kabuki Tarte brush. Moving on to lips, we're going to use 3 products. We're going to use a lip liner, which is called Spicy. I don't know the name brand of this lip liner. Then we're going to come in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this one is in shade Soft Lilac. And then we're going to come in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and this one is in Toffee.
Wait a minute!
And that is how I completed today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and share with your friends. If you have any comments for me, leave it down in the comment section below. I know you guys noticed that I did not put primer, but I did it before I started filming. I will leave down in the description what products I use as a primer. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.